What's good, guys? Today I'm going to be driving to Skidsteer. Let's do a tour of it first. First we got this. Then we got this mirror. Nice mirror. Camera for behind. Stereo. Window. Seatbelt, but you don't really need it. You need this. This is what you need. You got this. This. So look at this. Look at my hand. You see? But yeah, and this drives me forward. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me riding my skid steer and talking to the fans. All right, here we go. Whew. Right now. I was 9, and I'm gonna turn the camera. But y'all see that tree right there? Look, y'all see that tree. But that other one that looks like it right there has my friend's name and my sister's name engraved in it. My sister and my friend were really close. I don't know if they dated or not, but yeah, my fucking friend's a fanboy. Like, turn on stereo. But so, I'm about to go get my driver's license. You know, the usual. while ago, like a couple days ago. But anyways, we hopping out. I'm gonna give y'all a full tour. Yeah. Okay, so here's the skid steer. You know, the usual. Alright, so here's a tour of the inside. It's nothing much, really. It's worth a lot though. Let me turn it off real quick. Oh, yeah, that's the button. But so, it's okay. But right now, we're gonna be going on the roof. Look at that. Yeah, this thing's shaking like crazy. But my last draft, I accidentally stopped the recording. Okay, I'm gonna set y'all down for like a couple of seconds. Look, you can see my dog. Okay, so this is the top of the roof. Look at that. 8 minutes right now. That's the truck. But yeah, I don't know what this stuff is. I wasn't here. I was at my house doing content creating for a gorilla tag. But so, holy shit. Look at that drop. If you fall off, oh, you better praise the Lord that you go to heaven. I haven't even told my uncle, like, but so, right now I'm gonna put you in my pocket right now, and I'm gonna take you out right when I'm coming down, okay? Okay, guys, I'm right now getting onto the ladder, going down. I'll get y'all out as soon as I get down. I know y'all don't like the dark. Say what you want to say. I'm sorry. I just have to. I can't go down with the camera, but I can go up. I haven't learned how to get down with the camera. Wait, I just remembered. This is my first time recording at my uncle's property. Okay. So, look at this dog. Hey, Jake. Hi, Jakey. But let's give y'all a house tour. First, lawnmower, tractor, skid steer, you know, my stuff. Not those. I can't drink beer yet. This is a nice house. It got mold, but we removed it, but we ain't going in it. Water. This is the best water known to man, I swear. Like I feel like this water is just so ice cold. Hold on. I'm gonna do a review of this water. Okay, gotta open it, drink some. Delicious, 10 out of 10 sandwich. No one talks about there. Fridge. It's old. Oh, there's my Baja Blast. I got it today. Put it in the fridge. Okay. Baja Blast. You see that? Let's drink some. Video is not sponsored by Mountain Dew. Oh. Well, guys, this is going to be the end of my video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all enjoyed my other videos. Anyways, peace!